I was very excited to make today's video because I have got an Aladdin's lamp, and I am going to share that lamp with you. Today, I am going to tell you about a unique Fiverr extension that will rank your gig 100%. This extension is going to be amazing as it will generate a title for you and suggest keywords on which your gig can rank. But how will you download it? Is it free or a paid version? It's absolutely free of cost. Yes, there is also a premium plan available, but I used it for free. I ranked one of my gigs significantly and started getting orders from it. I always share free tools with you because I don't want you to invest in anything unnecessarily, especially since you are just starting. The premium plans are for level 1, level 2, or top-rated sellers because they are already earning, but if you are not making anything yet, you can use the free version. It is going to be very useful for you. Tell me in the comments how you found this extension. Now, let's go to the screen. This is the website, something like Centeximos. You just need to visit this website, where you will find the Chrome extension. Click on Discover, and it will take you to Fiverr Mate. Here, you will see the Try for Free option. Click on it, and once redirected, click on Try for Free again to install the extension. After adding the extension, you need to set up your account. Here is my Fiverr dashboard. When I click on WordPress, the extension starts working. You will notice the Fiverr meta menu appearing, along with new icons and options. The extension will generate the most commonly used keywords related to WordPress, such as WooCommerce, WordPress blog, e-commerce website, and redesigned website. These are the keywords that are frequently used on Fiverr. If I want to copy these keywords, instead of doing it one by one, I can simply click on Copy Tags, and all the keywords will be copied instantly. For example, if I paste them into Notepad, you can see how all my keywords are neatly copied in just one click. Another amazing feature is Gig Titles. If I click on it, the extension will generate a CSV file containing gig titles in an Excel sheet. Let me open it and show you the results. Here, you can see all the gig titles currently in use. Previously, I had to manually check each gig to find its title and seller level, but now, this extension does it for me. You can select the most attractive ones and even combine different titles to create your own. Now, let's talk about gig links. If I click on Gig Links, I will get a list of gig URLs. Let me open it to show you the results. Here, you can see the URLs of all gigs. Often, a gig's title changes over time, and now, instead of opening each gig manually, you can check everything in an Excel sheet. This extension helps you analyze such trends and understand what works best for ranking. So, tell me honestly, how did you like the video? If you found this video helpful, then please like it and appreciate my efforts and research. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This was an amazing tool, and I shared it with you. See you in the next video.